welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can email me. My email will be in the description below. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Ubuntu 21.04 Hirsute Hippo in VirtualBox on Windows 10 and Mac OS. The same process will be for both Windows 10 and Mac OS. Let's get started. First, we want to go to the Ubuntu website. So we will open up a browser, and from here we will type out ubuntu.com-download-desktop. If you don't want to write this, I will put this in the description below. Click enter. We'll accept all. And from here, you will see 20.0.4.2. We don't want that one. We want the one below it, which will be this one. And here, make sure that you read the recommended processors, memory, etc. So we'll do a little bit of configuration on VirtualBox itself. So we'll just click download here. Give it a second. If nothing comes up like this, then just click download now, and then make sure that it's Ubuntu 21.04 desktop AMD 64.ISO. So we'll let that download, and then we'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so now Ubuntu has finished downloading here. You will see this. Thank you for downloading. But just go back so then we can just have this reference for when we set up the configuration in VirtualBox. Okay, so we'll just minimize that for now. And I have mine on my desktop right there. So now we're going to open VirtualBox. And from here, we're going to have this little menu. Here's all the different VirtualBox or virtual machines that I have opened. Some of them have errors, yada yada yada. We're going to want to click New. From here, we will click or type in Ubuntu 21.04. And we will click Next. From here, it says how much RAM. Go back. We need 4 gigabytes of RAM. So we'll make it a little bit higher because I'm able to. Let's do 6. And then we will click on Create a New Virtual Disk Now. And disk image, yes. Dynamically. How much memory do we need? We need 25 gigabytes. So let's just make it a little bigger. I'll just make it 100. Create. Perfect. So now we are not done yet. But now we will go into make sure that Ubuntu 21.04 is highlighted and go into the settings. From settings, go to system. From system, processor, and you can see 2 gigahertz processor better. We'll just, since I'm able to, I'll give it 4. Uncheck those. Uncheck that. Okay, we'll put this one to the bottom. Since we don't use. Let's see what other. Make this a little bit better. Storage. No. Okay. So now in the storage section, we're going to want to go to the disk where it says empty. And then we bring down the drop down menu and then we choose a disk file. And we will find where it is located. Mine is on my desktop. Have it highlighted and hit open. You should see the name of the operating system right there. The size of it is correct. Hit OK. And from here, we will see that it's been an optical drive has been installed, ISO. We can hit start. Let that load. For some reason, I've tried fixing this 400 times and it's always giving me an error. So if you have that error, just go to drop down and then do headless start. And then it should start for you, no problem. Just like that. Make sure that, okay. And from here, we will do Ubuntu. Ubuntu Safe Graphics, sorry. We will let this load. May take some time, and you'll be greeted with this. Hirsute Hippo. We will then install. Let's see if I can. I guess we'll just do that. Install. You can also try, but demonstration purposes, I'll just install. And then English, US, normal, download. Updates, no, we're not going to do that. It might seem like there's nothing going on, but it's just loading. Give it a couple of seconds. And then erase disk and install Ubuntu. Install now. Or like change the disks, yep. We'll do that. Toronto, correct. And then we'll just write Pat. Oh. And then just make a password up. Log in automatically. And continue. And it'll start downloading the files. And I will check back again when the install has completed. And once the install is complete, you should see a window like this saying installation is complete. You need to reset in order to use the new installation. So I just left click the reset now button. you'll have to remove the installation medium, which you will just go back to the, actually, you will X this first. You will just power off or send shutdown signal. I'll just power it off for now. And you will have to go to the settings. From the settings, go back to the storage. Oh, it looks like it already removed. But you will want to remove it if it's still there. And how you would do that is just right click and then remove attachment. And then remove. And there you go. Hit OK. And then for my sake, do a headless start. Open. And it should load just like this. And while this is loading, I will just say I hope everybody's safe, staying safe, and hopefully this pandemic is over soon. And also, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, of course, my videos. Give it another minute. And there you go. And you are done. Just like that. Some pop-ups might come up like connect your online accounts. I'm just going to skip for now. And yeah, there's a lot more features this time around, which is very cool. Actually, shouldn't have skipped that, but you can get the Zoom app, you can get Spotify. There's a whole bunch of different apps you can get. Now let's see if I can do Thunderbird, which is an emailing server which you can just hook up your email to. I'm assuming that's the App Store. Yep. There we go. A whole bunch of different apps you can get now. So let's see if I want to go to for Zoom. Type Zoom. Totally forgot Zoom is on application. It's you gotta download from their website. But let's go to education, see what they got. Nothing. Anyway, I'll let you guys figure that out, play around with that, but that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.